Hi everyone, so today we're going to have a go at cooking JD Seasoning's Jambalaya. We've done this before and it's actually quite good, so follow along and we'll see how it turns out this time. Okay, as always with JD Seasonings, the shopping list is on the back of the packet. The instructions are on the inside of the packet. Okay, ingredients wise for this one we have pot of JD Seasoning mix, 620 grams of chicken chopped into chunks. In this bowl we've got some diced onion and celery stalk roughly chopped, half a red pepper chopped up, tin of tomatoes and 300 grams of long grain rice. And this jar over here, the jug, is going to have some vegetable stock in when we get round to boiling the kettle and putting it in. And also we've got the obligatory fry light for browning the chicken in. Okay, time to start cooking. So first thing we're going to do is spray the pan. A bit of spray light, stop it sticking. So it's got that done. We'll get the pan on. There we go. And put the chicken in. Wait for that to start sizzling. Chicken's starting to cook now, it's got to fry up for 5 minutes. Alexa, time 5 minutes.
Okay. 5 minutes, starting now.
You've got a red button there, red light on there. Okay, so chicken's now cooked for 5 minutes, that's fried up nicely. So it's time now to put in the onions and celery. That's going to go in there. And we're going to fry them up for another 5 minutes. Alexa, time 5 minutes please.
5 minutes, starting now.
I don't know why I say please to Alexa, but I always do. Next thing to go in the pan is the red peppers. Put them in, give it a stir and fry them along for another 2 minutes. Now we're going to put in the JD spices, JD seasoning pot, all goes in, and we're going to stir that in, give it a good stirring, let that flavours release for about a minute, like that. And then we're going to pour in the tomatoes and the stock. I'll use the stock to rinse my tomatoes out, get all the flavour out of there. Give that a good stir. We'll chuck the rice in. Just give it a good stir. And then that's going to simmer now for 25 minutes. So put the lid on. Bring that to the boil. Okay, so while that simmers for 20 minutes, we're going to sit down, enjoy a nice glass of wine.
And a nice wild berry gin.
Catch you in a few minutes. Okay, so that's been simmering now for 25 minutes, and as you can see, the rice has soaked all the stock up and the tomato mixture, and that's looking rather nice and ready to eat. So all we have left to do now is serve that up, sit down and enjoy it. Okay, so there we have it, all dished up in the plates, ready to eat. So we'll disappear now and eat that. Okay, so until next time, it's goodbye from me.
And goodbye from me.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye all.